I'm out here in the yard, and there's actually snow on the ground. And so I thought I would, oh, it's powdery. Oh God, it's cold. I mean, that's obvious, but it's like wet snow. So it's really sticking to it's sticking to my hands. Whew, jeez. But so like I was just trying to show that it's not just like frozen, kind of like up there. It's just frozen. So it's not, when I reach down and it's easy to put my fingers in, that's not the case up there, because it's more like what's going on here, where this is like, yeah, that's like not, it's more ice than it is snow. But I mean, this really is like, it's still snow, which, forgive the like awe-inspiring, like, whoa, snow, but this is maybe the most substantial snowfall we've ever had since I've been alive here. And, probably since my parents, like, I mean, I can't think of a time that I've ever seen more snow here in Houston. So it's pretty amazing to me. And just like, we're built for like really hot and humid weather, like 100 degrees or high 90s and what am I trying to say? Like high 90s and high humidity, and just that for weeks and weeks and like months on end during the summer. But we are not built like this snowstorm. Like I think this city's shut down for at least 2 days. And I see some snowmen off in the distance. Cool. I mean, it's just abnormal. Okay, it's abnormal. This is not Houston weather. You want to say hell froze over? Like, I know the Dynamo supporters have the Dynamo, the section that says like, this is hell. Okay, well, hell froze over here. So yeah, I don't really have anything else to say, so I'm gonna end it here. Hope you've enjoyed. Have a blessed one. I'll catch you next time. Later. Yeah.